Nalor ka junior rung top 20 kilangot ke samla pule ka North Liberty Higher Secondary School Jowai haka result SSLC bapen benar ke embos hene kasingi ka school KGP sinat mingi Higher Secondary School Jowai bar ka Q.C. Springside Secondary School Jowai ru kalayo rung hapo ka ne ka thom kumta hapo Jowai la don lai tili ki school balapau haka result SSLC kilangot na ka school North Liberty Higher Secondary School Jowai kenthop ka Risa i Christine Suting kabalayo haka kerdan ka ba Khatway Mendelssohn M. Langstang ka kerdan ka ba Khatsau bat ka Rila Naika Sari ka kerdan ka ba Arpau. Ki armur ki wepat kenthop ka Sani Kawan Chalam na ka school C. Springside Secondary School Jowai ka balayo haka kerdan ka ba Khatlai bat udalam mi Downi Rambai na ka school KGP Sinat Mingi High Secondary School Jowai ubalayo haka kerdan ka ba Arpau.
Yok he ma. Yok he.
Công độ ta ingo cho yong blai udah ya tinggal do boy kat sini ngatong. Ta mi yo melin le iki hayu masam yu di kecani nga. Kina hikai le kamjo ki udah yirap ingakat ni ma ki udah pelupor. Wai kamjo le iki lok ki lok le yirap iki hadu itu ini wi lok tan to score. Ta snyao wayo ai ni na snyao overwhelm hama snyao dap bisa kata snyao pun ya kamte wat krekod san keta kamte haro san keta tam umbe khai thia steba ta sedang krekod kamne do san chuten kamte ta dam do nyao je arkenta tam istam tegi wa yiwon hai janme kamte sa ta kami gamat sona ai imi di mir untuk gamat dei mir tamiu krekon ne trong ta gamat snai te det se smart sa mir
kemen ma nam kong ingo kamai wa dia tiu na ko dalam ini top 20 te wa ale ingo ni kam skor ni wa wi na do master ni kai kyo de nang chuo ko da chisnam ko Ibrahim sekolah yang orang tahu, kamu jual le yang orang ni, kaya yang macam yang jual, ni kerja ni pura
Comment. Saya comment using unexpected your 20th question. Like this is the most biggest gift of my life. I really thank God because it is with His help that I am able to reach 20th position. I'm just an average student, and I think this is all because of God's blessings. I will not be able to do this alone. I thank my parents, teachers. They've always been by my side. They always guided me. They always encourage me from time to time. And even though if I fail, they never scold or anything. They just encourage me to do more, to work hard, and they never also force me to work that much hard until I break my brain. They always encourage me to work adequately, not too much, and to get more rest and everything. So I also want to encourage all the students below us or above us also to work hard so that they might get more than us. They might be more intelligent than what we are. They might get more percentage than what we get this year. I think that's all.